1264, contact New York approach on 118.4. Good day. SBA 112, contact New York approach on 132.4. Good day. Delta Tree 9er, you are 21 miles northwest. Descend and maintain 2,000 feet. Expect ILS runway tree 1 left approach via Delta Papa Kilo transition. Clear to Delta Papa Kilo.
132.4 for SBA 112 tree. New York approach SBA 112 tree 14,800 feet.
SBA 112 tree New York approach QNH 29.9 continue as planned. SBA 112 tree contact New York Center on 121.125. Good day.
121.125 SBA 112 tree. New York Center SBA 112 tree 13,600 feet.
SBA 112 tree New York Center QNH 29.9 continue as planned. SBA 112 tree contact New York approach on 132.4. Good day.
Going to 132.4 SBA 112 tree. New York approach SBA 112 tree 11,700 feet.
SBA 112 tree New York approach QNH 29.9 continue as planned.
New York approach SBA 112 tree. Request clearance to transition Bravo airspace.
SBA 112 tree New York approach. Cleared through the Bravo airspace.
Cleared through Bravo airspace SBA 112 tree.
UPS 11260 revises fish 400 feet under research basin in HE. Climb and maintain 2,000 feet. QNH 29.902. SBA 112 tree contact New York approach on 127.3. Good day.
Climb and maintain 2,000 feet. UPS 1126.
127.3 for SBA 112 tree. New York approach SBA 112 tree 5,300 feet.
SBA 112 tree New York approach QNH 29.9 continue as planned. SBA 112 tree, you are leaving my airspace. Resume on navigation. Contact New York approach on 128.55. Good day.
Going to 128.55 SBA 112 tree. New York approach SBA 112 tree 3,200 feet.
SBA 112 tree New York approach QNH 29.9 continue as planned.
Landing gear. Landing
New
gear.
York approach SBA 112 tree.
Land-
Request clearance to transition Bravo airspace.
Landing gear.
SBA 112 tree New York approach.
Land-
Cleared through the Bravo airspace.
Landing gear.
Cleared through Bravo airspace SBA 112 tree.
Landing gear. 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 Landing gear.